Hello friends. So this was the other case of germanium med that I had presented in the seminar. It's a case of infertility of a lady of 29 years of age, and she was married since 6 years, and she was diagnosed with PCOD since her menarche, and she was not able to conceive. Her family status was her mother-in-law, her husband, herself, her sister-in-law. And while when I asked her who all stays with you at home, she just told me about these three people. She did not mention about the nephew that I came to know later on. And father-in-law, she told that had died 2 years back. I asked her who all are there in your maternal side, because the transition to know the journey of this person is very important in cases of infertility and PCOD. So I asked her. Then she told me that on her maternal side there is grandmother, her father, mother, elder brother, herself, and the younger brother. So the difference we can easily figure out that she is the only sister, only girl between two brothers. So she is a pampered child. Okay, and this is an intuitive thought process which we can confirm, and we should confirm with the patient as we go ahead. And here when she comes, she has a sister-in-law and her nephew also to look after, and a sister-in-law and mother-in-law form a team. Anyways, it's a natural team because they are mother-daughter after all. Mother-in-law runs a chocolate shop from home, husband is a homeopath, and she herself is at home. I asked her about her education in particular, and I came to know that she was MA. She had done MA first year before marriage, when she was in her maternal side. Then she did her B.Ed in her in-laws' home after marriage, and then she dropped studies. This was something striking. And sister-in-law was divorced with a son to look after. Now, how I analyzed the case was because of her way of talking and the gestures, her tone, and the information that she provided. When I asked her about her education, and then further I confirmed with her that why didn't you pursue your studies properly? She told that I cannot do that. Although my husband had told me before marriage that I can do it, I tried also. But here the atmosphere is so bad that I do not get the courage or confidence to continue. They pass so many comments and taunts that I feel really bad about myself. Even I feel I have lost confidence to talk in Hindi or English, and I don't get the right words to talk in Hindi or English anymore. What will I continue? How will I continue in my career then? I feel very conscious to talk to my husband also in front of my mother-in-law or sister-in-law, because the moment we sit and talk something, they start passing comments and taunts. So I feel as if, what I should not talk, what I should talk, how I should behave. For every gesture, I get very, very conscious. But when I go to my mother's house, her husband told me that she's a different lady altogether. I cannot recognize. I am so astonished that is she the same lady to whom I am married, who is my wife? Because she changes completely. She's so free over there. Other points were that she gets very much affected by constant comments of her mother-in-law and sister-in-law. She doesn't like to take care of sister-in-law's child. She just ignores him. Doesn't respond to people's comments but feels it too much. She doesn't respond, but it is so much for her, because it goes on daily, day in and day out. They keep on taunting her, keep on discouraging her, keep on criticizing her for something or the other. And because of this constant thing, she makes every move and every thought with a lot of control and consideration. How I should behave, what I should talk, what I should do that they don't comment anything, what I should do that they should not criticize anything. This was her kind of adaptation. Rubrics I took was confidence, want of self-confidence, self-depreciation. Confidence, want of self-confidence, feels himself a failure. So depreciation is what? There was a time when in 1 rupee we could buy 4 toffees, and now the even in 10 paisa there was something we could purchase, in 1950s 60s. So what was the value of 1 rupee at one point, and today what is the value of 1 rupee? It is just not counted at all. Okay, so this is what has happened, that the value of something has gone down. Self depreciation meaning that you yourself devalue yourself, your education, your abilities. You are not valuing at all, even though you have the capability. That is self depreciation, and feels that I am a failure, I cannot succeed in anything, cannot do anything, I should just leave it, giving up. Ailments from reproaches which are coming in form of taunts and comments every time whatever she does, and that is what she does not like at all. And timidity in talking, because the bare minimum words that she was using, the low tone that she had, I had to really go close to her to understand exactly what she wants to say. I had to ask people to move out of the cabin so that she talks more openly with me. So it took time for her to confide in me and express to me. I gave her Germanium Met 33 doses on the first night. She felt very happy from within, and she spoke to me also after that. Her husband spoke to me that, after this remedy she started getting close to me, and from the same week itself, and she was UPT positive within a month's time, and then the baby was born. Germanium Met, I'll take you on a journey of Germanium Met now. How they are at home. How it starts. When she is in her maternal side, the FS that I took for a maternal side, there is a brotherhood sensation of, wherein they feel that everyone is one family, we are all united there for each other. They are intellectual people. They feel he's better than others. The pampered feeling that I was saying, that because of this brotherhood feeling and because of getting that kind of importance from others, they feel they are better than others. Delusion, humility and lowness of others while he is great. That is what they feel when they are getting all the importance. They feel everyone is low and I am the great person. Delusion, floating in air, that kind of happy feeling is there. Delusion, superiority, where they feel I am the superior one because I am the only child, girl child, both are boys, so they take care of her in such a way. When she's in her house, her husband's house, where she's the superior one, other ladies come to meet her. Okay, delusion, beautiful, everything is so nice. Euphoria, laughing over serious matters. So even serious matters do not matter to her when she is in her home, when she is in her place where she is given lot of importance. Now when does problem begin? It begins when she moves away from this home where she was given so much importance and now she is not. So ailments begin with ailments from anger with indignation, anger suppressed, ailments from embarrassment, ailments from quarreling, and ailments from reproaches. Here the problem begins. She feels she's away from home. So when she goes away from home, what all she has to face? People who cannot understand her feelings, people with whom she cannot connect, and that is why she feels that she is criticized. Stranger sensation as if one were a. Confusion of mind as to his identity. Who am I? What am I? What is my identity in this home? Whether I really belong over here? What am I supposed to do for myself, for my identity, for my life? Confusion of mind, loses his way in well-known streets. I knew I had to do MA, I had to do B.Ed, but I am confused now. I don't know what I am to do now. Thoughts intrude and crowd around each other. Thoughts, repetition of thoughts. She's thinking the same things again and again that happened from day to night. Talking in glitches. In Hindi, we say takya kalam. Like, am I here to just keep working like a dog? This is working like a dog. That's a glitch, an expression that has been worn out through constant use. Again and again, saying the same thing. Okay, they don't. So that's what she told. I have lost the use of my words. I have lost my vocabulary because I don't talk much. Make writing seem stale. You should avoid glitches and try to express your meaning in original ways. I feel on top of the world. Anything happens, I feel on top of the world. So my mom came home, I felt on top of the world. I got good marks, I felt top of the world. So the person is repeating and using a limited frame of sentence or words. Self-depreciation, that is the main rubric of Germanium Med. While people bask in self-appreciation, I indulge in endless self-depreciation. And at this time, when the person is self-depreciating himself, he feels that others are laughing at me, others are mocking at me, they do not understand me, I am misunderstood, and everything is strange. They are so strange that I can't relate to them, I can't express to them, they cannot understand me and I can't understand them. I can't relate to what they feel, they can't relate to what I am feeling. Anxiety conscience of on being observed. So that is the conscious feeling that she's saying, that when somebody is observing her also, she feels as if I'm doing something wrong, that maybe I'm going wrong, and that is why they are constantly observing me. Delusion, every movement and thought is controlled. This is how they become so mechanical, and this is how the current scenario is. That is why I wanted to share this remedy, that nowadays how we are living, we are, once the lady feels or once a person feels at home that they're just bounded in these four walls and they cannot do anything else, and they lose the interest in pursuing their ambitions. Okay, so your self-depreciation can happen, that I don't want to do anything, I'm just good for nothing, because the depression that has set in with lockdowns. So this is one of the state where a person can get into. Delusion, every movement and thought is controlled. I should wear the mask and go, I should sanitize my hand, everywhere hoardings are put up, everywhere only this topic is going on. Whether you want to make a phone call or you put on the TV for entertainment, but this message is just coming across again and again, and the person is just restricted in their movement of thought as well as action. Delusion, he is a prisoner. You can identify now how we are feeling a prisoner with the lockdowns. Delusion, he is doing nothing right. They feel I am just not doing anything right, and that is how this female was feeling after coming from a maternal home to her in-laws home, her husband's home, where she feels I'm not doing nothing right, I'm just a prisoner. Prisoner is who doesn't have, he cannot take action as per his willingness. Delusion, he is doing something wrong, as if I don't wear a mask, I'm doing something wrong. If I'm not sanitizing, I'm doing something. They're losing out on one's freedom. Home desires to go where they can be themselves, where they can be free. Fear talking lest he should say something wrong. I should have restricted talk, because the social media, everybody is just on a lookout on what message people are giving. It is wrong, they can just put you behind bars. Fear of losing self-control. So much controlled are people living today, nowadays. So from here on, I would continue in the next video. Thank you so much. Do like, comment and subscribe.